Let's take the derivative of x squared minus 2x times square root of 5x minus 6. If you look at this function, this is the thing that's holding it together. It's a multiplication. Can't see it, but it's there. And so we have this function times this function. And if you look ahead a little, you'll notice that the second function, g, may take a little work. So the derivative of fg is f prime g plus g prime f. F prime isn't very hard, it's just 2x minus 2. G is square root of 5x minus 6. But most of the work in this problem comes from g prime, because we can't take the derivative of g directly, we need to use the chain rule. So let's kind of just write it out separately. What's the derivative of g, which is square root of 5x minus 6? And to do this, it's easy to see that this is a function composition with f of x being square root of x, and g of x being 5x minus 6. So f prime of x is 1 over 2 root x, with g prime of x being 5. And with this, we can use the chain rule to combine all of these. This derivative is f prime g times g prime. F prime is 1 over 2 root g 5x minus 6 times g prime is 5. And so remember that this thing that we just got is actually g prime up in the product rule. So we can kind of take this and put it in here for our final answer. So let's do that. Remember that the derivative of fg was equal to, let me copy it from right here, 2x minus 2, that was x, root 5x minus 6, plus, gonna leave a little more room, plus this thing I circled, I boxed in purple there, g prime. Let's put the 5 up in the numerator to save space, times f. Now what's f again? It's been a while. F is not 2x minus 2, it's x squared minus 2x. And so this whole big thing is the derivative of our original function, x squared minus 2x times root 5x minus 6. And just to do a little recap, we needed to break this function up using the product rule into these two parts. And then while doing the product rule, we noticed that g prime is something that we actually need to use the chain rule to figure out. But that's not hard. We can use the chain rule to find that derivative. This is g prime. And putting g prime back into the original derivative, we get this as our final answer.